Welcome to Snake, Fact Storm Lab. In the deep jungles, burning deserts, and hidden caves, lives one of nature's most feared creatures, the snake. Jihan, wohi sap jobina awaz kerast badulta hai, or ek hai bite me mort lik dita hai. Thousands of years ago, humans worshipped snakes as gods. Lekin unha shatani makluk bi samja gaya. Ajbi, snake ek ac mystery high. Jo beauty or danger dono ka combination high. There are more than 3,000 types of snakes in the world. Ha ek alegran. Size or nature ka hota high. Some are harmless. Lekin kuch ise bi hain jo surf one drop of venom say insan ki heartbeat rock deet hain. Like king cobra, the world's longest venomous snake. The 18 feet tak lamba hota high. Or iska zeha nervous system ko seconds mi ban ka dita high. Ek high bite or sab katam. Or fear at a high black mamba. Africa ka saps fast or deadly snake. The 12 miles per hour key speed say move kata high. Or ek attack me 10 say ziorda bites ma shakta high. Ha bite mork or signal hoti high. But remember, not all snakes are poisonous. Kuch highs python or anaconda apni target say shikar ko dab hate hain. They crush the prey until it can't breathe. No poison, just pure power. Nature ni in ha form me deadly banaya high. Kuch zahar say, kuch strength salint. Snakes kapars na pair hot hain, not ears. There be wo dunia ke most perfect hunters hain. They smell with their tongue. Hawaka taste lekar shakar tak pahunch jate hain. Or unki heat vision unhan hare ni, be shakar ki body heat dekati high. Ekbar target mil gaya. Attack silent hota high, no sound, no mercy, just death. Isi lai kaha jata high. When the snake moves, even the jungle goes silent. Lekin snake surf killer nahi. Ek protector be high. They keep nature in balance. Rats or insects ko control kart hain. Aga snakes na ho. To crops or food sab katam ho jayin. So next time jab tum kissy sap ko deco. Darmad USA respect do. Because in the silent world of nature, the snake is not evil. It's the true king of stealth and survival.